We are in our Rice's Appliance kitchen. It is Wine Down Wednesday, thanks to the Sarasota-Manatee Originals. And one of the originals is Vista Dockside Restaurant and Pub. They are on the north end of Longboat Key. And we are thrilled to have Chef, and say your first name for me.
Ish, Chef Ish.
I wanted to make sure I get that right.
Yep.
So you're Chef Ish.
Chef Ish, yeah, exactly.
I'm sure I'm not all of our first human. Not the first human to have said that.
Not at all.
Too easy.
Yep.
But you're making grouper, which we absolutely love.
Yes.
So let's get started with your hot pan.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and start with the grouper. I'm going to show you how to sear the grouper properly. So always make sure you face it away from you.
Oh, okay.
Did you dry it?
Yes, I did dry it.
Okay.
I seasoned it already. You always have to make sure you dry it so you get a nice sear on that.
Okay. And really hot pan?
Put it away from you. Yes, exactly. If not, you don't want to get no tattoos all over you.
Right.
The chefs have a lot of tattoos
yes, exactly.
often from that.
I'm always tempted to fiddle.
No.
Don't fiddle with it.
Fiddle it. Just leave it alone.
Don't
let
touch
it cook.
No fiddling.
No.
How do we know when it is time to flip?
So once it starts to get like right there, put you in the middle. When you see like a nice little white thing right there, you just flip it and ready to go.
The edge? Okay.
Yep.
Got it.
So I'm going to go ahead and put some oil on this pan right here.
And that fish looks so fresh.
Yes, it's our red grouper that we have in the house.
It's beautiful. One of the true Florida treats, of course.
Absolutely.
All right, and then what's happening in this pan?
All right,
a
I'm
little bit of
going to
garlic,
put the garlic in there for you guys.
Can I fiddle with this one?
Yeah, absolutely. Go ahead and put the shallots in there. Beautiful.
And then what are you making to go with the grouper? Is it a slaw?
It's a hot slaw.
Get it?
It's a hot slaw. Yes, exactly. So it's a hot slaw. All right, go ahead and put the sweet potatoes for me. Okay. Just a few.
Just a few?
Yeah, just a few.
Is that a few?
That's perfect. Exactly.
Perfect. Oh, good. Ben hadn't said that to me
This is why we're Chef Ish, because we're not professionals.
A few?
A few,
Wait,
go ahead.
with that.
Toss that in there. A little bit more.
Is that enough?
A little bit more. There we go.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Brussels sprouts are so much better
Yes, exactly.
shaved. So much less intimidating.
And then we got some toasted almonds that we're going to throw in there
Yum.
to give it some texture.
That smells so good.
What an interesting idea to have a hot slaw.
I
Yeah,
love this
exactly.
idea.
I love it.
Yep.
Yeah, me too.
It's so funny growing up and like being forced to eat Brussels sprouts, and now it's like my first thing I order like everywhere I
Well,
go.
because chefs now know what to do with them, right? My mom boiled them and they were nasty.
in there.
Sorry, Mom.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and saute for you guys.
That we can't do, Linda.
Wow.
This is where you leave it to the pros.
What a great dish to shave them and then put all the flavor in there, especially those
Absolutely,
craisins. Yum, yum.
Okay, is this what you mean by the little line?
Yep.
Almost, maybe?
Almost there. I'm going to just turn up the heat a little bit for you guys. I usually like to lift up and see what I got, what color I got. Not done yet.
That's what I fiddle.
So he did fiddle a little bit. He fiddled a little bit, and that's okay. While that continues to sear, I need to ask about what's happening here because your tuna could not look more beautiful.
Yep.
Yes, that is our tuna poke bowl that we have in the house.
I'm going to carefully spin because I see
It comes with,
What's that little cake thingy?
it goes with ginger soy. You have your green onions, your cucumbers.
What's this?
It's a crispy cake. It's a rice cake.
So like a Japanese arancino, maybe?
Exactly,
Like
yep.
Okay, all right.
With a little bit of tagarachi on it, with the seaweed salad and your avocado.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. That tuna melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
That is an amazing
Delicious.
quality seafood.
It's a really popular dish on our menu.
And we've noticed dessert is here, and we're
Yes,
pretty
and
excited
that right
about
there is
that
the
as
mango
well.
crème brûlée that we make in the house.
That is beautiful.
Kind of fun over here.
Yeah.
That is absolutely beautiful.
That looks so easy when you do it.
All right, so tell me about some of the other things you're excited about on your menu right now.
We actually have a nice dish that everyone loves about. It's the trio, the island trio.
Okay.
So it comes with scallops, it comes with shrimp, and your snapper skin on it.
Oh, I'd be excited about that.
With mango beurre blanc around it, and then your base will be corn and zucchini.
Oh.
Yeah, that sounds great.
I think for people that don't know, you can arrive by boat, and that is such a treat.
Exactly.
Yeah, let's try that.
There's
You
not
can
a
come
lot
in
of
there,
places
grab a bite, or if you want, you can come in there, just dine in, enjoy the view. We got a burnwood tree that is 120 plus years.
Oh, I didn't realize it was
yeah.
that old. That's the one with the twinkle light.
Yeah,
And that's where the Adirondack chairs are, under that tree. It is a wonderful place to sit out and chill. All right,
let me
Chef,
go check
flip
this
the
real quick.
fish.
Yep.
All right, it's time.
make
Ooh,
sure you flip
beautiful
it.
sear.
Oh, wow.
Tracy found the finished product, and she's busy down here
Yeah,
eating that.
exactly.
It's so delicious. And it's a perfect crisp. We will vouch that the grouper is absolutely amazing. But this is Mar Vista. They're out on the north end of Longboat Key. Amazing menu, wonderful wine and cocktail program, and the view is stellar. So go check it out, marvistadining.com. Chef Ish, you did a fabulous job.
Great job.
Thank you.
Happy Wind Down Wednesday.